I came and I got some food. I can't even see myself. It's so dark. So like, it was a mission just to come over here. I'm trying to stand the telephone, but enough where I can at least see myself. So I went. So it was like a long mission. Like there's not really restrooms out here, so I had to mission it to the restroom and that alone. And I walked to the nearest convenience store and I got a drink. Cheers, everybody. I haven't had a soda. I should get a cup of ice, but it's alright. I feel like I'm already asking for too much. It's fine. We're fine. It's okay. Look at there's a little wasp, like Wu-Tang wasp. So cute. So I'm gonna try this place. It looks bomb. They've been promoting it. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna do a screenshot. This is huge. And I also got a... They didn't give me ranch, and I really, really want ranch. But I feel like it's fine. Oh my gosh, the wasp is coming over here. You see it? Oh my gosh, guys. I also got yellow chilies. Look at this. Oh my, it's so humongo. And I got a hamburger with it. Mmm. I should have touched it. Mmm. I feel like I don't want to ask though. Mm. This is bomb. And this right here. So this place is so bomb. I'm gonna try this side. Mm. Mm. So good. Wow. Burning my eye. This is huge, guys. Huge. I also got a plain hamburger, which I don't even think I'm gonna finish. It's giving me cronies vibes. I don't know if you guys ever think cronies are familiar with it, but it kind of tastes like that, the chili. And I got the big Dr. Pepper. I haven't had one in a long time. And it's giving me, the chili tastes like very homemade. Very homemade. Some chiles. I feel like my eyes gonna start. Ever since I was like, I don't know what happened that my eye always stays watery. Like it'll just start crying by itself out of nowhere. It's like, these are so bomb. I didn't even know what to expect when I got these. Like, what am I gonna expect? It's bomb. Just take a bite of chew. And at first, honestly, I was like, nah. Um, I'm not gonna come all the way over here just to like have some food. But honestly, like it's worth it. Like you get out, you get to sightsee a little bit. You don't stay in one place all day. So I like it. Like when I have gas, I try to like do things, like move around. Because I know how it feels to have to stay stuck in one place. This is like one of the well-known spots that accepted cow fresh. And if you're familiar with this area around here, like then you know about this place. It's been here for a long time. There was also another spot which I was so sad when they totally closed down. I don't know what happened to them. If they went out of business or if they relocated or what. But it was 24-hour tacos, and it was so bomb. And somebody's catching the bus right here, and I just remember like being struggling like on the bus, literally like going from here, like from LA to Almani, from Almani back over here to LA every single day, just to try to do good. Carrying all my books. I tried. I really tried. Like, even to know that the situation that I was in, like, I still tried. And it also gave me a purpose. Like, every morning it gave me a purpose to get up and do something. So I was very grateful for that place, Palladium. Someone kind of like was like, "Why don't you go to school for this?" And I'm like, "What is it?" And they're like telling me like, "It's this, and this." And I was like, "Oh, it's still in the medical field. I'm gonna have to like save some of this for later." It's still in the medical field. It's not. It's like behind the line. Behind. It's not exactly front line. It's like, you know, the backbone of the hospitals. So I'm like, you know what? I don't sound too bad. And I signed up. I signed up not even knowing what I was signing up for. Because at that time, like the private like I don't know how to say institutions like technical schools. I didn't really know anything like really about it. That chili is kind of chiloso, which is still bomb. So I kind of really didn't like excuse me. I mean, I really didn't know like the ins and outs like of how you sign your contract and all that. Like there's probably a lot that I didn't know as far as like paying like me paying the school. You know what I mean? Excuse me, but it closed down, so I don't know. But like I think like since I didn't finish, they charged me more or something like that. Because I honestly didn't know how to read like terms and agreements at that time. Because I'm not a lawyer, so like every time you sign your name on the black print, every time you sign your name black and white, excuse me, you always got to be careful of what you actually are signing your name on because that signature justifies that you're agreeing. Whatever you're signing, you're agreeing, right? So you always got to be careful, which is, I mean, if it's something like really major, like opening a business or something, you must mandatory have a lawyer because you just never know. People could just be out there just trying to get you for your money. Excuse me, I have to burp. Excuse me. You know what I mean? And that's just something that you don't want them to do, especially if you're barely opening a business or barely trying to get into like the business industry. Like, it's really good that you read the terms and conditions thoroughly, even take it to someone who notarizes or something just so they can read it for you. So I think they kind of like messed me up on the schooling. So nothing you could do about it. You live and learn. You live and learn. Sorry, there's a lady right there. Excuse me. She had to like clean the tables and stuff. That's the note, ladies. I'm cool. It was amazing. And I still have food for later. I feel like walking around somewhere around here. Look at this package here. Isn't it so adorable? I don't know for sure the burger's gonna be bomb. I remember I came over here and I ate with my friend's brother and his wife and his kids, and I'm like, come on, I'll treat you. I think before like they sent him out to rehab, That family literally helped me, and I'm just so grateful for them. Like to this day, like I love them to death. You know what I mean? Like no matter what, it's just like I could never turn my back on them ever because they were just so good to me. You know what I mean? And those brothers are just like not known to like. Well, the older brother, yeah, like he's cool, but the other brother, well, he's not younger. He's not young like that, but like compared to his older brother, like yeah, he's kind of like under him. But like his attitude was very crazy, very like not like anybody, and like he really like he liked me, like you know what I mean. Like he brought me around his family, his wife. Like I got really close with the wife, and whenever he like was in rehab, I would always drive her car because she didn't drive, so I would always help them. Like when it came to like the like her having to do for the kids, like I would give her rides and stuff, take her to her aunts. Like I was just really appreciated for them. Like and I felt really loved, like really loved in their family, and I'm just like happy that I met them, happy that I got close to them, happy that I'm still able to call them my brothers and my family and stuff like that. As far as my other, brothers and stuff, but like really, like they were really good people. And Churro, I don't know where Churro. Oh no, he texted me yesterday. Finally texted me. He finally texted me. Excuse me. And he's okay. I don't know where he's at, but he's still there. I'm gonna say the rest. He's there, so he's good. I kind of miss him. I kind of wish. So it's really good, guys. Let me show you guys again. Wow. Wow. Bomb place. I recommend it. I highly recommend it. Go right away. I also got me some cookies from 7-Eleven because they're just so bomb. They're just so bomb. They're fresh. That is a lot of chili cheese fries. Really bomb. I suggest, even if you don't have the program that I have, still come over here and try it with your family, yourself, whatever. Make it a day out here. There's a lot to do out here. You're here literally in the city of LA. You have a lot of things you could do over there. You know? I'm gonna have a cookie with you guys on camera if it lets me. And these are chocolate chunk cookies in a 2 pound from 7-Eleven. So, this is so bomb. At first, I grabbed for a Rice Krispie. I'm sorry, this is like kind of windy, so I'm gonna hold the bag so it doesn't fly. It's kind of windy. I mean, so at first I grabbed Rice Krispies. Mmm. Wow. And I was like, no, I want chocolate chip cookies. And these are not just regular chocolate chips, these are chocolate chunk chips. Chocolate chunk cookies. Amazing. They actually taste like Costco. Wow. I haven't had soda in a long time. Woo. I don't feel anything though. I mean, honestly, I drink it for the taste. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna have another cookie. My last one comes in two. Mm. So I'm kind of familiar with the area, sort of, kind of. And I drove down daily because I do remember a long time ago there was a 99. You know me, I'm on the hunt for all 99s. So I do remember going to a 99 around here, and I could have sworn it was on Broadway. And it's not even a Dollar Tree or nothing there no more. Unless it's on the street after Broadway. Maybe. I'm not sure. Hi. I bet that I know. But it wasn't there. I do remember there was a McDonald's and that's still there. There's a King Taco. It's nice over here. This is bad. I can't complain. Truly blessed. Because it could be worse, you know? It could be really, really worse. I'm pretty sure I said that. No, get out of here because people are sitting there. I'm gonna end it here because I'm stuffed. I thought it was bomb. It needed like a little ice or something, but it's alright. It's fine. Thank you, dinos. Thank you for welcoming me. I love the food. It was amazing. You guys gotta come and try it out for yourselves. Guys, have a good day, guys.